Gone to Texas is one of my favorite events of the year. It happens annually on the night before our incoming students' first day of class. It is grand, it is epic, and it is all things UT.
The production itself to put together takes about a week to build up and put together. And at the peak time, we probably end up with a couple of hundred people, vendors, internal staff, volunteers, student organizations, helping us out put on this big production. I do like the fencing that we put in to protect the new flowers, because the main mall landscape project is just absolutely gorgeous and it's fantastic. We put a big intercom system together to tie everybody together. The communication on an event like this is fairly paramount.
There are a lot of challenges to an event like Gone to Texas. In one hand, it's scale. It's, putting 7,000 chairs out in the mall. You're subject to weather, whether it's, big, huge supercell storms like what came in yesterday afternoon, and you have to halt work because they're getting up on rigging to hang lighting, or we're building scaffolding. So the paper deck is important because it enables everyone that's participating in delivering cues for the program. They know the proper sequencing and the proper timing, so that all these different show elements that we've brought in, from pyrotechnics to band performances to lighting cues, so they all come together and are impactful in the way that we've designed them to be.
Students are involved in this, and that the orientation advisors play a big role in welcoming the colleges and school groups of students in and helping us with things like the shade reveal to show 29 in the windows this year, which will be their year of graduation.
This is a tradition that I believe started in 1995. The students are actually pulling a metal drawstring to have the shade be revealed, so it's very old school. It's not an automatic process, it's not a button that you press to make it go up. So really just getting the timing and making sure that that big moment at the end of the program with the 29 revealed, it's very important that we get the timing correct.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, my love.
Look.
Wow, how are you?
I'm at the top of the tower.
That's so cool.
Well, everyone else, it looks like we are ready to get in position, so let's consider this the 1 minute warning.
Oh, get the nails low key, like they're good. Like, shades, like, close like, they're good.
Shades, go, shades! That was beautiful, guys. You should be very proud of yourselves. 4 years from now, the same numbers will be displayed again to congratulate them on their graduation when they're at their commencement ceremony.
We met up around like 4, and then we drove to JJ Pickle. It's where we store our auxiliary
all of our flags.
Yeah.
All of our flags. And then we get all of our members to help us unravel it and take it out of the car. We take it down to the South Mall so we can spread it out and roll it up so that the red side drops out first, with the blue and white star on the left side when you're looking at it drop. And then we take it up to the tower to go on the presidential balcony, and we work with professional riggers at that point to help tie it up, use ropes, drop the flag, and then let it stay there. And then once the whole event's over, we drop the flag a second time from the balcony so that it goes down to the floor.
The energy we see from the students and the families, and we have to remember that's what we're doing it for. It's about the newest Longhorns coming to us, or the Longhorns that are graduating and their families, and just the importance of what that means to them, and we get to be a part of that.
My favorite moment of Gone to Texas is the finale. The president will wrap us up, the tower is lit, fireworks go off, 29 is revealed in the windows, and our band files in as one huge band all together for the first event of the year. Flag drops. We play the Eyes of Texas for the first time. It's an epic moment at the tower, and there's nothing like it all year long. We work together in unison to create these amazing experiences for campus, thoughtfully, creatively, in a really smart, passionate way. And it's just one of those incredible bookends. They start their college experience, and the next time we'll be in a setting like this, we'll be at their commencement.